Hey guys, welcome to our latest outdoor kitchen product. So we're going to showcase today our outdoor cabinetry. So we've used the Challenger kitchen here, which is really great product because one, it's very quick to install and there's not a ton of parts to it. So come on in here, let me show you what they're all about. So traditionally you're probably used to seeing outdoor kitchens where you have the metal frame, then you have the cement board, and then you're cladding it in stucco or stone or whatever, and it's quite the project. These come in multiple colors. They're fully aluminum, 100% waterproof, rust proof. They could be out in the elements, no problem. And you know, it's just really smart. They come in like your normal kitchen cabinets. They come in boxes, fully assembled. All you do is put them together, obviously level them, and lay it all out, and you're ready to use it. So you can see here, for example, here's a full aluminum draw. It has your your regular sliding system. You get your European hinges on all your doors, so you sit flush. Really good mounting hardware. And one of the really neat things is, there's a seal, a rubber gasket around all the doors. So when these doors close, they're tight, no water's getting in. We just had a ton of rain. The louvers were open, and you can see there's still dust in the drawers, so bone dry. So it really does work. So all drawers, all doors are completely weather sealed and tight. And in this one, we've added in a few Blaze products. Right here, we have the Blaze ice maker, which is outdoor rated, and a Blaze beverage refrigerator, which is also outdoor rated. And some of the cool features, like we customized this one. We have two garbage drawers and then all kinds of storage space, utility drawers, and we've added a sink. And then we're gonna be putting a TV here, and it's all really complemented well with our Cambria countertop. We'll do another video talking about the countertops and why we like to use Cambria and why we went with it on this particular project. So if you're interested in these kitchens, we actually are sellers and distributors of them. It's Challenger Kitchens. You can go on their website, check it out. And so if you're interested in this product, go on our website, www.sanddollardev.com, click on the Contact Us link, or click on the link we dropped in the description, and we'll see you next time.